Hey guys, so today we are out on Papamoa Beach around here. Today we're basically just going for whatever we can get really, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so today we got the slaughter rod, track that down and let it do its own thing, and the jigging rod if we find a workup or anything, and drop that down, and then today I'm going to be fishing with a soft bait. Down she goes. Little banana split, bait junkie. Yeah, so current update, we are oh, getting hit. Oh, yep, on. Ew. It's not overly big. I mean, it's something. Yeah, boy. Nice little gooner. Yeah. Look at that. I can hear him grunting. Okay, so it's not very active here at the moment. So we're just gonna punch out that way a little bit and see if it doesn't change anything. Those grounds could be different, I don't know.
Been a long time coming, took the long way around, but I think I see something coming up from the ground. And I don't know if I told you, but I think you're the world. Yeah, and I got this feeling you could be my girl. Come on, darling, run away with me. We could see what there is to see, and your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy dream. Burning, you set me on fire. I don't know what to do with all these crazy desires.
Man, that was the craziest experience. Wow. As you saw, a pretty crazy dolphin encounter. It's wild. So now we are just parked up at Rhode Island and gonna try for some squid with this little jig, and get back to you if we hook up. Let's go! Ew! Whoa! Come on. Oh my days. Come on. Oh. Look at all the dolphins. They're coming straight here. Woo! Got a little snap here on the slider. Okay, so we're just gonna dispatch this guy real quick. We'll get straight back into it. Nothing. Twiddled the toes in the water. It's actually crazy how beautiful it is out here. The forecast showed 6 knots of wind until 9. It's just past 9 now. And man, it is calm and glassy. Look at this. Out here, sunscreen is very important at the moment. The sun is super hot. So, just chucking a little bit of this on. Yeah, so fishing's been so slow all day. Have not managed to get anything else. So soon we're gonna head in. We're gonna head in, pick up Jack, who we dropped off earlier for spearfishing. See if he gets anything, and then we're gonna head in and yep, get back to the boat ramp. Oh,
Time. Alright, you ready?
Yep. So we are currently day 2 on the jet ski. Wasn't very successful yesterday, but we will see what we can get today. Turn it off, what are you doing? Suck on my line.
Wait! Got him! What is it?
It's a color.
Wait, you're dry.
I'm trying to hoist them in. Oh, he's off.
Oh.
They usually bunch up in schools like this. Oh no!
What is this one?
Some feels like a car.
All jumping down there.
Yeah. Yeah, same thing. see them chasing it. Oh, had one. Yep. Oh, come on.
Coming?
No, oh, yeah. Thanks for that. Yeah. What is it? Oh, it's Carl. What the heck?
Oh, well, the other one definitely wasn't wrong.
Yeah.
Go towards it.
What? Yeah, I agree with that.